Una po sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Diyos. Salamat Panginoon sa panibagong taon at panibagong chapter ng aking buhay. At gusto ko din po pasalamatan ng aking mga magulang, lalo na po sa suporta ng aking buong pamilya, kila Mama at Papa.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo and stay safe and healthy. Mag-enjoy ka lang ha, you always have my support. I'm looking forward sa marami pang bandings na kasama ka. I wish you a fabulous birthday and God bless you always.
I wish you the desire of your heart and your dream become true. Wishing you all the best in your life and also on your next journey.
Hi Bes, happy 18th birthday.
Alam mo na yan, mahal ka namin ng mga kaibigan mo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jonabeth, and wishing all you the best. And nandito lang kami mga kaibigan mo when you need.
Wow.
You know, hi Bes, happy birthday. Yun lang. Bes, ang kami pag-go!
It's an honor to introduce the star of the day, sweet and pretty at 18, Jonabeth Aquino Catuga.
You're so easy to love. Hey, you're just so easy to love. And I know when I look at you, you're sent from above. Hey, you're just so easy, easy, easy to love. Easy to love.
I pray that the Lord will grant the desires of your heart. I pray for protection and good health. Yun lang. Enjoy your birthday. Then wishing you all the best in life. Galingan mo sa pag-aaral.
Ipagpatuloy ang pagiging magalang at responsableng anak para sa amin ng iyong mama. You're already building your own happiness. Mag-aral mabuti at andito lang kami ni mama na laging susuporta sa iyo. Happy 18th birthday. I love you so much.
You're so easy to love. Hey, you're just so easy to love. And I know when I look at you, you're sent from above.
Salamat din po ako sa inyo kasi kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magiging masaya ang celebration ko. Lalo na po sa lahat ng bisitang dumating para mabuo ang celebration ng 18th birthday ko. Hindi man po naging perfect ang buong plan, naging buo naman po yung memory ko sa araw na to.
I like that.